Welcome to the best picks. The best Aveda oil is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products on the market, renowned for its luxurious feel and impressive ability to transform dry, damaged strands into silky, manageable hair, making it a staple for those seeking a premium solution to common hair woes. Number 5. Aveda Nutriplenish Multi-Use Hair Oil. Discover the Aveda Nutriplenish Multi-Use Hair Oil. It's your all-in-one solution for healthier, more vibrant hair. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment to deeply nourish, or as a styling aid for a smooth finish. This versatile oil adapts to your hair's needs. For intense hydration, apply it as an overnight oil. Wake up to softer, more manageable hair with this powerful treatment. It also works wonders as a leave-in treatment. Simply apply a small amount to damp hair for continuous hydration throughout the day. Experience the power of 100% naturally derived ingredients. This hydrating hair oil is designed to replenish and revitalize your locks. This multi-use oil is your secret weapon for beautiful, healthy-looking hair. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine. What we like. This oil offers incredible versatility, serving as a pre-shampoo treatment, styling aid, overnight oil, and leave-in conditioner. Its deeply hydrating formula is perfect for those seeking intense moisture. If you have dry, thirsty hair and want a single product for multiple needs, this is your go-to. What people say. This oil is amazing for taming frizz and adding shine. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable without being greasy. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option. Number 4. Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. Discover the power of overnight hair repair. This potent serum works while you sleep to strengthen and revitalize your hair. Tired of split ends? Our advanced formula targets and reduces their appearance, leaving your hair smoother and healthier. Restore your hair's vitality. It effectively repairs damage, bringing back its natural strength and resilience. Experience the nourishing benefits of Nengai oil. This key ingredient helps to deeply condition and improve hair texture. Feel good about what you're using. It's crafted with 99% naturally derived ingredients for a conscious approach to hair care. Simply apply before bed and wake up to noticeably stronger, repaired, and beautiful hair. It's your secret to overnight transformation. What we like. This overnight serum is designed to build and repair hair bonds while you sleep. It effectively reduces the appearance of split ends and combats damage. If your hair is weakened, brittle, or frequently styled with heat, this serum will help restore its strength and health. What people say. This oil is amazing for taming frizz and adding shine. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable without being greasy. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Number 3. OUAI Hair Oil. Tired of frizzy hair? Our hair oil is designed to tame frizz and give you a smoother look. It's your secret weapon for a polished finish. Want radiant, healthy-looking hair? This product adds incredible shine and helps to smooth away split ends. Get ready for hair that gleams. Protect your hair from heat styling damage. This formula acts as a shield, keeping your locks healthy even when exposed to high temperatures. Style with confidence. Worried about your hair color fading? Our gentle formula is safe for color-treated hair. Enjoy vibrant color and beautiful style. We believe in gentle care. That's why our product is free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. It's pure goodness for your hair. This convenient 1.5 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for your travel bag or purse. Keep your hair looking its best wherever you go. What we like. This hair oil provides excellent heat protection for your styling tools. It effectively tames frizz and adds a beautiful shine to your locks. If you frequently use heat to style your hair and struggle with frizz, this oil will help you achieve a smooth, polished finish. What people say. This oil is amazing for my dry, frizzy hair. It makes my hair soft, smooth, and shiny without being greasy. I love how this oil smells. It has a light, floral scent that isn't overpowering. It also helps to tame my flyaways and adds a nice sheen to my hair. A little goes a long way with this oil. I only need a few drops to get the job done. It absorbs quickly and doesn't weigh my hair down. Number 2. Weleda Rosemary Conditioning Hair Oil. Discover the natural way to revitalize your hair. This conditioning oil is designed to deeply nourish and strengthen every strand. Experience the power of rosemary, a time-honored ingredient known for its hair-enhancing properties. It helps to promote a healthy scalp and vibrant locks. Our formula is gentle yet effective, providing essential moisture without weighing your hair down. Achieve a soft, manageable, and healthy-looking finish. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or simply needs a boost, this oil is suitable for all hair types. It works to restore vitality and shine. Weleda is committed to natural and sustainable beauty. Feel good about using a product that is kind to your hair and the planet. What we like. Infused with rosemary, this oil is specifically formulated to condition the scalp and hair. It utilizes natural ingredients for a gentle yet effective treatment. If you're looking for a more natural approach to hair care that focuses on scalp health and nourishment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This oil is amazing for taming frizz and adding shine. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable without being greasy. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Number 1. Aveda Smooth Infusion Style Prep Smoother. Tired of battling frizz? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to smooth and control your hair, even in the most humid conditions. Experience unparalleled frizz control that lasts. This powerful formula provides up to 72 hours of defense against flyaways and unwanted texture. Achieve salon-worthy smoothness with every use. It preps your hair for styling, making it easier to create the look you desire. Not only does it smooth, but it also acts as a vital heat protectant. Shield your strands from damage caused by styling tools. Embrace the power of nature with a formula that is 98% naturally derived. Enjoy beautiful, smooth hair with ingredients you can feel good about. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek, manageable hair. This leave-in serum is your secret weapon for a polished finish. What we like. This leave-in serum offers long-lasting frizz control for up to 72 hours. It smooths and softens hair while also providing heat protection. If you live in a humid climate or struggle with persistent frizz, this product will keep your hair sleek and manageable all day long. What people say. Makes hair soft and shiny. Works well on frizzy hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.